Almeria nilabas ang bola, pass to Alvarado. Alvarado fires the borderline. Kay Doc Roy Vial. To Mr. Alvarado, to Mr. Daquines. Daquines to Mr. Sueño. Puwing Sueño lights up. Good ball to using the glass from deep. No agree by Mr. Tapla. Tapla pass break to Magtibon. Magtibon stop and pump. Good ball to Mr. Sones to Mr. Ramos. In and out, dribble by Sones. Feeling shot. Good ball to Alvarado dribbling the ball. Alvarado drives. Alvarado pass to Mr. Almeria Myers. Good ball to Mr. Almeria. The no grabbers still dribble by Ramos. Ramos to Mr. 24. Mr. 24 Baran drives. Pass to Mr. Magtibon. Magtibon bumake. Magtibon quick shot. Mr. Tapla, Tapla pass by to Mr. 24, Mr. 24 using the glass. Mr. 24, Mr. 24 pass to Mr. Beralde, Beralde Baran, Beralde to Mr. 24, Mr. 24 drives, Mr. 24 pass to Beralde to make, Beralde fires. 2 points. Fade away shot, no rebound by Mr. Tapla. Tapla pass break to Mr. 21. Mr. 21 to Verone. Pass to Mr. Padilla to Mr. 21 to Padilla. What a beauty by Pelayo again. Pelayo pass to Alvarado. Alvarado from three. Bang. Hinaharas Mr. Verone. Pass to Mr. Flores. Flores to me. Flores pass to Mr. Mendoza to Artus. Good card to Zaylan. To shoot. Tapla to Mr. 24. Mr. 24 fan. Mr. 24 to Tapla. Tapla drives. Tapla nakalusot. Lights up. Good project. And then back to Tapla. Fires from deep. Back. Mr. Pelahio. Pelahio to Artus. Artus power moves pass to Mr. Pelahio to Mr. Mendoza. Good project. Almeria nagmamadali. Almeria to Alvarado. Alvarado pass to Mr. Pelahio. Beralde to Rivera. Rivera pa rin. Rivera to Mr. Ramos. Ramos fires. Good play to using the glass.
Gumaling na si Ramos eh.
Mr. Alvarado. Alvarado pass to Almeria.
First five.
Almeria pa rin. Almeria drives. Almeria to make that check by Ramos. Ramos to Mr. 24. Using by Alvarado to Villano to Alvarado to Mr. Almeria. The Mr. Beralde. Beralde to Mr. Ramos. Waits a ball along. Good project by Mr. Ramos. The Mr. Almeria no good. Iba by Mr. Ramos. Mr. 24, good for two, out put back, no good, rebound by Almeria. Almeria pa rin, using the glass, good for two by Mr. Almeria. Dribbling the ball, Mr. 24. Mr. 24 pa rin, Mr. 24 lines up all along, good for two by Mr. 24. Rebound by Almeria. Almeria to racing by Mr. Beralde. Beralde drive, Beralde to Magtibon. Jump shot, good for two. Giving the ball. Mr. 24 drives. Fires. Foul is found. Number 9. Piero. 6 minutes and 29 seconds. And happy New Year po kay Kuya Pancho Uri and Kuya Ovi Vaponera watching on backstage. Zagorski. Tapla pass to Beralde. Beralde drives pass to Magtibon. Insudan Mr. Almeria. Almeria to Taquines. Taquines pass to Mr. Mendoza. Good for two using the glass. Mr. Dwayne Moore. Dribbling the ball, Mr. Dwayne Moore. To Mr. Tapla, 10 to shoot. Timon, rejected to Mr. Alberio, to Mr. Alvarado. Alvarado drives, Alvarado, get through by Mr. Dribbling the ball, Mr. Dwayne Moore. Hinayos si Mr. Alvarado, to Mr. 24, to Timon, jump shot, get through. Almeria drives, pass to easy by Mr. Timon, to Mr. 24, easy by Almeria. Almeria pass to Mr. Mendoza, to Mr. Tajinas, to Flores from deep. Mr. 24 dribbling the ball on Mr. 24, 10 to shoot to Mr. Tapla. Tapla drives, Tapla to Mr. Araneta, bumay. Araneta drives, no good, bumay Araneta, put back, good part to using the clock. Kuwento pa rin, Kuwento, ataking pass to Dakinas, rejected by Araneta, to Dakinas, to Mr. Kuwento. Kuwento pass to Mr. Almeria, bars from deep, no good, dribbled by Mr. 24, it's a turnover. Mr. Kuwento running shot to it. Viva by Mr. Almeria. Almeria to Mr. Dakinas. With a 10-second to shoot to Almeria. Fires short. No good. Viva by Mr. Tapla to Araneta. Araneta nagmamadali. Araneta diretso. It's a good for two by Mr. Almeria. Almeria to Flores. With a 10-second to shoot. Flores rejected by Mr. 24. To Magtimon, Solong. Good for two using the glass. Kuwento drives. Kuwento attacking. Nawala ang bola to Mr. Araneta. Araneta 3-on-1 situation. Araneta pass to Mr. 24 using the glass. Good for two. Mr. Mendoza. To Mr. Zones to Mr. Magtimon, to Zones, alley-oop shot! Good for two by Mr. Zones. Mr. Takinas to Flores, fires, loaded. Recovery by Cueto, easy by Mr. Araneta. Araneta pa rin. To Mr. Tapla, lays up over. Takinas, John, pull up, jumper, good for two. Kung sino po ang nawawalan ng susi dyan, kapainin na po sa mga tumira. Mr. Almeria. Almeria pass to Mr. Kuwento. Kuwento fires, good for two. Almeria drives. Takinas, good for two. To Almeria. Almeria for the 3-point line. No good rebound by Mr. Takinas. Pass to Mendoza to Mr. Takinas. Fires. Takinas. Mendoza to Kuwento. Kuwento pass back to Almeria. Almeria to Mr. Takinas. Good for two. Receiving to Takinas. Takinas back to Alvarado with a 10-second to shoot to Almeria. Almeria drives. Almeria pass to Mr. Alvarado using the glass. Beralde, 10 to shoot. Beralde pass to Mr. Ramos. No good. Rebound by Mr. Beralde. Beralde to Tapla. Fires from deep. Bang! Official score 50-40. 10 points lead. Mr. Almeria. Almeria pass to Mr. Alvarado. 8 to shoot. Alvarado to Mr. Artis Byers. No good. Put back. Basket count at may kasama pa. Hangad. Mr. Tapla. Tapla fires from deep. Tapla. Bang! Mr. Alvarado. Alvarado pa rin. Alvarado to Mr. Almeria. Almeria to Cuento. 100 good for two. 19 seconds. We have 13 seconds to shoot. Mr. Almeria to Takinas. Takinas fires from there. Bang! Takinas to Alvarado. We have 10 seconds to shoot. Alvarado from long. na to Mr. Tapla. Tapla to Araneta. Araneta babawi. Araneta! To Araneta. Araneta to Mr. Tapla. Tapla pass from deep. To Beralde. Beralde drives. Beralde to Mr. Tapla. Lays up all around. Good for two. Takinas pa rin. Takinas drives. Takinas rejected by Ramos. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Mr. 24 dribbling the ball with a 10 seconds to shoot. 55 seconds left. Then Mr. 24 drives. There's a result. Who's fouled? Mr. Referee on number 3.
May si kuya na may nakaharang.
First rescue.
Kaya, yan, umalis din.
Ano? Offensive foul po, kaya 1 feet na lang. Oso. Second personal foul. May Almeria pass play to Taquines. Taquines to Mr. Alvarado using the glass. Good for two. Tabla drives. Tabla pass to Esteban Rizzo. Almeria to Alvarado. Alvarado up and under. Good for two. Pass play to Alvarado. Alvarado to Almeria. Super sa tulit. Rebound by Beralde. Beralde pa rin. Beralde dribbling the ball. Mr. Beralde. Beralde quickly. Beralde. Bang! 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 Nababa na ba? Mr. Duwendo. Pass break to Alvarado. Alvarado drives. Pass to Taquines. Good for two. Mr. 24 pa lang. Mr. Ramos. Ramos to Magdiman. Magdiman from there. Napakalayo naman. Mr. 24 dribbling the ball around Mr. 24. Mr. 24 pa rin with a 10 to shoot. Mr. 24 for me. Pass to Mr. Magdiman. Powers. Bang! 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 Pamatay sunod. To Mr. Almeria. Almeria pass to Alvarado. Alvarado looking for his teammate.
Kailangan na kay Hakat na Junior ay
With a
malayo.
10 seconds to shoot. Alvarado bounce back. Bang! Bang! All along no team by Mr. Ramos. Recovering by Magdiman. Back pass to Mr. 24. Mr. 24 back pass to Ramos. Rebound foul. Mr. Durango to Almeria. Almeria drives. Almeria to Pedro.
Oo po! Ako po!
At dahil yan, isang timeout na lang po. Magkabilang kupunan, 29 seconds time remaining. Mr. Tapla, 10 to shoot. Mr. Tapla pa rin. Tapla drives, Tapla lays up. Rebound by Mr. Almeria. 15 seconds to Alvarado. Alvarado to Almeria. Wala bola. Tumenta sa wala bola to Mr. Almeria. 10 seconds to Cuento. Cuento drives. It's a turnover. Foul! Barangay Kayahan! Wala na pong timeout ang Barangay Kayahan. Ang magaling team meron pang isa. With a 4 seconds left for the last and final round. Iuwi na ba ang Barangay Kayahan at kampiyonero? Ngayong gabi, the final game, do or die. Seconds time remaining. Mr. Tabla. There's foul on number 18, Guanto. Tumagtibang to Mr. Kalinimo. At kanya magtatamas ang serye ng senior division. Congratulations! Barangay Gayan! The champion of Marilan Basketball League
Bola, putulog.
2026! And congratulations din po, Barangay Manalinting. Our best player of the game with 18 points, 2 steals, 4 assists,